my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a haul of all of the souvenirs that I bought in Thailand. I hope you enjoy. I did a part 1 where I went over all the jewelry, so if you want to check that out, I'll link it down below. So this first item here is a ceramic bowl, and I genuinely can't remember where I got it from. I just remember it being a ceramic factory. I went to Thailand over a year ago, so I really can't remember. I'm sorry that this is not very helpful. Next, I purchased a singing bowl from a temple. It's really beautiful. I'm still learning how to play it. I actually did a demonstration later on in the video. It's pretty cool. I'm not the greatest. Don't judge too hard. In order to play it, you must hit the outside with the stick and you spin it around the outside and it creates a humming noise. It's pretty awesome. I believe that the singing bowl is used during yoga and meditation. This item also came from a factory. It came from a black tree sap factory, and at that factory they paint all of their sculptures with this black sap from these trees in Thailand that produce black sap, and I think that's really cool. So I got 2 of these elephants, one for my sister and I got this box that was painted with this black sap for my mother. I don't have any footage of it, but trust me, it was really cool. So continuing on with the trend of elephant, I have this little bronze elephant that our tour guide in Thailand gave to us as a goodbye gift. It's really cute. As you can see, I put my finger next to it. It's extremely small. I love it so much. This is actually one of my most prized possessions. Like I said, I don't know where he got it from because it was a gift, but I love it. It's absolutely adorable. Next, these are the 2 umbrellas that I bought from an umbrella factory. The red one is my sister's and the teal one is mine. I think they're so cute. They're really small. Fun fact, this factory that I went to sent Princess Diana an umbrella, but it got sent back after her passing and I got to touch it. It was big enough to fit a car underneath. Pretty amazing. I also got this fan from the umbrella factory. This painting also came from the umbrella factory. I also bought this mini elephant incense holder and the incense from the ceramic factory, and it's been a year since I've been in Thailand and I still have yet to use them. It came with different scents such as orange, jasmine, lotus, and lavender, and it also came with the red scent, but I cannot remember its name. This last item is a fan that I bought from the silk factory. It's absolutely stunning and it has tons of detail. Thank you so much for watching. I do have other things. I have elephant pants, I have silk that I've bought. I bought brooches for some of my friends and keychains, but they're all not here anymore because they were gifts. But I hope you enjoy what I do have, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!